Yo world, Kaikane is here to help you, so don't forget that. If you want to be rich, then I can definitely make that happen. All you need to do is listen. Now, today's topic is what to do if your students stop studying with you. What if your students stop studying with you? What does this mean? It means that they have a reason. For example, maybe they are bored. Maybe they are sick. Maybe they have found another teacher who is cooler and better than you. Maybe they have a family emergency. Maybe they have to move or relocate to another city or country for work or love. Maybe they can no longer afford to study private English lessons with you. Maybe your price is too high. Maybe you're too cool. Maybe they have fallen in love with you but cannot tell you directly and are worried about how you will react or if you reject them. Very common in China and Japan. Maybe they hate you because you said something that pissed them off. Maybe you refuse their subtle advances. Or maybe they are ... Look, ladies and gents, whatever the case or reason may be, in all honesty, it really doesn't matter. What does matter is ending their course and your last lesson, if you know it's the last, with them on an extremely positive note. You never want to burn bridges, and you always want them to remain in your contacts list. They may come back eventually, and in most cases, they always do, as long as you are a great teacher for them. So do not worry about it. They will also most likely give you referrals continuously on end and tell you when their friends want to study. Keep it real and always end every class and course on a good note each and every time. That's it. Okay, chaps, gotta run. Be sure to check out my website, GetRichTeachingEnglish.com, and get my book yet if you haven't. Furthermore, if you have any in-depth questions that need finely tuned answering or would like to book a private one-on-one consultation to get the best advice on earth possible on how to find a rewarding ESL teaching job abroad, the best places on where to move to teach English overseas, learn the secret tips and tricks of teaching and how to make tons of money in the process, then please don't hesitate to book an email or Skype consultation with me via my website at GetRichTeachingEnglish.com. I also provide resume revamp, edit, and reference services as well that will definitely help you out. Have a great day and stay tuned for more awesome vids. There are thousands to be put up, so stay tuned. Till next time, peace out, keep it real, and stay focused.